Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a beautiful and simple Goddess Parvati look for kids at home in just 10 minutes. This look is perfect for school, fancy dress competition, Navratri celebration and mythology theme. We will start with an easy traditional hairstyle and then move to soft kids friendly makeup to create a graceful divine look. So let's get started and transform into Ma Parvati step by step. So guys, let's start with a simple and cute hairstyle. First, comb the hair properly and make a neat middle partition in the front. Now take the top section of the hair and tie it into a high ponytail. Secure it nicely with a hair tie and leave the remaining hairs open at the back. You can softly curl the open hair and for a graceful look, add a small white flower or clip flower near the ponytail and place a mantika in the center, and our beautiful Parvati inspired hairstyle with high ponytail and open hair is ready. Now let's start with the makeup. First, apply a gentle moisturizer to keep the skin soft and hydrated. Blend it nicely using your finger. Next, I am taking a small amount of BB cream and applying tiny dot on the face. Now blend it softly using a makeup blender until it looks smooth and natural. Remember, for kids, always keep the base light and simple, and our fresh even base for the Parvati look is ready. Now let's add a soft blush. Take a light pink blush and gentle apply it on the cheeks and blend it softly in upward strokes for a natural glow. Keep it light and subtle to maintain a cute and graceful Parvati look, and the fresh rosy glow is ready. Now let's apply the eyeshadow. Take a light golden or peach shade and gentle apply it on the eyelid. Blend it softly for a smooth and even finish. You can add a tiny touch of shimmer in the center for a divine glow. Keep it soft and simple for a graceful Parvati look. Now let's define the eyes. Apply a thin liner of eyeliner close to the upper lash line and keep it simple and neat. Next, gently apply kajal on the lower waterline for a soft traditional look, and the beautiful expressive Parvati eyes are ready. So guys, now complete the hand. Apply red or pink nail paint neatly on the nails and let it dry. After that, gently apply alta on the fingertips and a small circle in the center of the palm for a traditional touch. This gives a beautiful and defined Parvati look. Now let's add the most important touch, the red bindi. Place a round bindi neatly in the center of the forehead. Make sure it is aligned with the middle partition. You can also add tiny white dots around it for a traditional look. And now our beautiful Parvati look is almost complete. Guys, add jewelry, necklace, bangle, earring. Adjust crown properly and wear sari or lehenga. And our beautiful Goddess Parvati look is now complete. For this entire makeover, I used the Kiddology makeup kit, which is especially made for kids and easy to use. If you want to create this simple and safe Parvati look at home, you can check the Kiddology makeup kit. Link is in description box. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel for more kids makeover ideas. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care, guys. Thank you for watching my video.